Welcome everybody. The sun is out. We're gonna clean up these signs here. These are for the school board. They park their buses here. See, they've been doing work. They're adding on. They're gonna make more room to put more buses in. Never seen the stuff grow as much as it has here. I don't know what is going on all the way down through. All the way down through, it's like that. It's like this stuff has gone crazy. We're gonna clean it all up, fix it all, bring you guys along with us today, show you guys some of the stuff we got going on today. Hope you guys enjoy this. I know I haven't been doing as many videos lately. Had other stuff going on. See, they took out some of the hedge here, I guess. All right, let's get going. I can't believe how we can't even see the numbers. Number 10, 9, 11 is in here. Never been so bad. Alright, the boys are just going to trim up a little bit of the branches here, because this is where the school buses, all the school buses have to come through here to pick up the kids. So we just want to make sure that everything is trimmed so none of the top of the buses touch anything. So I want to show you guys here. We took out some trees early on in the season here. They were putting in a new fence. So they put in a nice new fence here. There was a big stump over here, and I told them, I go, we can't get that out. It was full of fencing and all kinds of stuff in it. And I said, you guys use a loader or something to pull it out. And I just drove by. I haven't been by here in about 3 months. I noticed all they did, they just cut. They just cut into the fence. I mean, cut into the stump. Instead of taking it out. Of course, all the asphalt was around it and everything. I understand it was probably too complicated, but it broken all the asphalt. So all the fence is all done. Look how nice that looks. Put a beautiful, nice fence in here from one end to the other, right from the street over there. Looks really good. All right. I'm gonna bring you guys, show you guys what we got going on here. We just did all this pathway here. We can use the boom van and go up and down here. I gotta tell you guys a story about somebody called into what you call OSHA, United States. Here it's called CNSST, to say that one of the guys didn't put a harness at some time. I don't know when. We had gray harnesses, the same color as our shirts. They're the same, like our shirt's gray. I don't know if it was hard to see or what. Anyway, somebody complained, so they came over and checked on us. Usual stuff that they do. Come and check out, everything was okay as usual, but they wanted us to put a couple stickers on the bucket. They said our stickers are starting to get used, so put some stickers on the bucket. Stupid stuff like that, but we'll get it done. Can you believe that? Somebody actually calls in. Wonder if it was somebody that did it, that in town, or if it was a competitor or somebody on YouTube, whatever. Anyway, this is all coming along good here. Big job, lot of hedge, a lot of hedge. I'll bring you guys on the other side and show you guys. This used to be a big birch tree right here. You couldn't even get in. It was pretty hard to get in here. So I thought I'd show you guys what we got going on here. Gonna be another day today. I think it's gonna be 30, 31, which is about 85 to 90. Look at all the beautiful flowers here. They have some beautiful flower beds here. See, they got one of those little lawnmowers. Do it by itself. I thought I'd show you guys here what we got going on. We gotta do this big thing. We have to do that with a ladder because we can't get a boom van in here. Last time we're gonna do it though. We're not gonna do it anymore. We can't get up on top up there anymore. You see, we can't even get the ladder in here anymore. I told them not to jump years, not to do it every year, and they jumped. So this last time we're not doing it no more. Too crazy, too hard to do. You don't need to do stuff like this. Yeah, with that pool in there and we can't even get the ladders in. Awful job. Not worth it. Not worth it for the headache it gives us. Then they went and put a garden in over here, right beside the hedge. I mean, the hedge is 25 feet high. Of course, it's gonna squash the garden. Yeah, so it's what I was talking about a while ago. People with their harness. Where did we put them? We had gray harnesses. Oh, they're right there. So you can see how that same color as our shirts. So our shirts are gray. So we changed them out because they're bitching about that. So we bought red ones. You gotta keep them happy. And then our stickers, they want us to change our stickers in the boom. They said we can't see them. And another thing, they want everyone to have a course to be able to do boom van to trim hedges. I've had guys here been doing it. We have 3 guys that have their course, and we have guys here that have been doing it for 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 years. Now all of a sudden they have to have a course. Imagine that. Have a course. Only in Canada. Only in Quebec. Only in Quebec. Only in Quebec you got stuff like that. I think you have to have a course too, to be the guy that rides on the back of the garbage truck to pick up the garbage. I'm not sure there, but I wouldn't be surprised. Alright, let's head over next one.